I'm thrilled to announce Digicel's partnership with the Electric Power Corporation, EPC, to launch the Digicel MyCash app this morning. This will enable all families in Samoa to top up and purchase prepaid power instantly using their phones. This is a groundbreaking achievement for all of Samoa, who can now top up their smart meters at any time of the day from anywhere using their phones. No more waiting in long lines or traveling long distances to find an EPC outlet. We are excited about this partnership with EPC, and we believe that this will revolutionize the way Samoans purchase prepaid power, making it more convenient and accessible to everyone. This partnership is a testament to our commitment to providing innovative solutions that make life easier for our customers in Samoa. We understand that time is precious, and we want to help you save more of it. With the Digicel MyCash app, you can now top up your smart meter and purchase prepaid power from the comfort of your home or office. One of the key highlights of this initiative is that families overseas who are currently using the MyCash app to send money from overseas can now send money to their loved ones in Samoa to purchase cash power instantly on their phones. Who doesn't like that? Someone else paying your power from New Zealand or Australia, even America. They can do this at any time of the day from anywhere using your app. The new service is a great advantage for rural families also, as it eliminates the need to travel long distances to an EPC outlet to buy power. With the Digicel MyCash app, customers can avoid long queues and the hassle of power shortages during emergencies, even after regular business hours. The app's easy-to-use interface and seamless integration with EPC's power infrastructure provides an efficient experience for customers. I'll just share with you my story of my experience with the MyCash app and EPC top up. And I live in Ulululoa, and I'm on cash power as well, manual meter. And on Saturday night, after the event that we went home at about 10:30, I checked the meter, I had 7 kilowatts of power, but the Farmer Joe's is closed. So it was a great opportunity for me to use the app to top up my power and get a token without having to worry about if we're going to run out of power during the night. Especially the All Blacks was on, so it's important that I had power. So I just wanted to share that experience, how easy it was for me, and hopefully our people in Samoa will see the benefit as well. I think the biggest benefit, one of my staff asked us when we had a training, what's the biggest benefit of this? I said, the biggest benefit is your uncle from New Zealand can pay for your power. You can top up your MyCash from New Zealand, and then you can just pay your power, right? And we will love that when someone else pays our power. I want to thank EPC's General Manager, Faumui, for his foresight and vision that led to this milestone achievement. Loa Fionga, whakataitele lava to you and your team for trusting Digicel with this significant advancement and initiative. We are excited about the innovative solution developed in partnership with EPC. We know that this is the beginning of a series of initiatives aimed at boosting business growth for the betterment of our people. I look forward to close relationship with EPC to ensure both our organizations work together to serve our people by improving our standards of living and ensuring no one gets left behind in this time of digital advancement and change. In closing, I want to thank you all for being here today to be part of this significant event. Whawhitai, Aia Manuia.
Taino Fiona, Anthony Sipset. Yeah, I'm taking away for what I'm more and I'm annoyed on Fiona for me. So, I'm more than the ass of
Taile, como la sobre el mato, no. Jadi tak ada betul bersih tu matu. Ya, fakta itu boleh dia betul. Ya, mana boleh dengan fakta itu program OCT ini kalau kalau dia bela tu. So, ia mampu tantu sudah mampu itu mana kai mampu tantu. Orang asal dia buat pakai itu salah yang tu mampu dia orang tu fatwa itu sila. Dia kalau tahu ya boleh dengan fakta ini. Kalau semua selesai. This is a very good initiative for not only for EPC but for the EPC consumers and all the people of Samoa. Convenient for them in Fayona, Fatawina yale, Tapa Apia, or Yangan, the way they fight out the technology level. Someone to a not be experienced with her. Someone to a mathematical letter, funeral back to the future. When they focus on that transportation sector, only Tamata Yana, developing only Lumanai for communication. They allow that to one layers. Not really transportation, but for the communications, from minor technology beyond the benefit that we take now. So this initiative by Digicel, we welcome this initiative and we are thankful for Anthony from Digicel. This is a good platform for customers, for EPC customers. Once again, thank you very much. Binoi meo seloi, asi va uma oi, no lo fa me e u aloi, suiti suma ye pe soi. Binoi meo seloi, asi va uma oi, no lo fa me e u aloi, suiti suma ye pe soi. La te lupe alwe, tani awe. Ola tule to be the fa bele Yes. Yeah, George. More than enough.
Brother.
Can you move to the side? Just move a little bit. Decentralized mo papel tanto po na sa ngale po yung may load po ila yung ngale po sila camera pa pa ay na amon mo kaya po ya po mo po ay mo may po ay lang sa yung may ina
Ja, kilo mai lai iwa mole. Sai. Okay, dit veel.
Dia masih caco wajah sepaksa silakan mulai lava. Kamu mulai lava very
Okay, thank you. Just want to say that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's tight.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Awesome. All right, there we go.
Right.
So unawa o mai si uyo le tato fa mo le naso ai vai no muri la mare tu ila ya ini kecil tato medium tato terminal ya tu tu ada no tato yang wai ada fa lo kecil lah tak
Paman mole a. E fia la ia se tu pere a whaarina e tangata le customer. Ia walewa maui mai le au nanga Digicel. Ia e te tono ale manatua le ai ai fo ia ni ala tau fo i fees. Sa la tau tau i tūranga o whangai na au nanga nei. E fia se tu pere a eri no ngore. O e tu pere a tutongi e tangata mole pao le whami mole.
Thank you for the question. I can answer it in English.
Okay.
It's okay. There is no fees for our service. So if you're a Digicel customer and you have my cash, family sends it to you from overseas. It's in your app. If you pay for your power, there's no fees from our side for the service. So when you use the $100 to top up your power, like on the video, the whole $100 goes to the power. We don't take any money from that $100.
If you say to pay now only if you say to pay now only only colocating me, they will find out right in Digicel money EPC. Like how much does it cost? Sorry, how much does it cost to set up this partnership between EPC and Digicel, this project? Sorry.
I think she's meaning to say, is there any agreement in terms of going into partnership? Financially?
It's 15,000, but we went together.
Good answer there.
Would you mind me please?
Right. So my name is Rahul, I'm the Chief Commercial Officer. So the cost of integration is approximately 15,000 USD, but Digicel and both EPC has worked together to make this service happen. So we have an agreement between us. That's how we are able to provide this service to our someone consumers.
So this is a long-term partnership?
Yes. Yes.
Boleh tundangan, boleh saya lihat sisi semua boleh baik. Dia boleh tulang boleh kalau boleh bentai atau dalam cash pump orang semua. Susah lihat. Kalau kita mahu tu kami nama kami kalau ya aku sih pada ini dia pada pun kita ini saya macam jadi dia nanti dia 2% ne kawai bagi saya so ini 2% ne bawa boleh ke Digicel dia pena pun kita tu benda sih ini kalau the same rate the convenient lah dia lagi banyak kita ni tu orang nak cukup ya le COVID le ya application sekarang yang nak oleh banyak oleh cara saya terminal ya jalan lima lokal buat ni close down lah toilet tu na tangata le na ya application na le meron na sa desa mo find na benefit na so lang na sa yan na take ko na EPC le risk ito find na ko ni hours mo mampang mo na this is the way forward EPC then na mo yele mai test so we don't really have to go through it malo to ay you Dia malah tak main aku mesti ada tu. Kalau bukan aku buat lagi. Ifa fokus ni ngalu nak baik tu. Awak tu nak ni sama ibu kita tu punya dia tak boleh tu. Kaya na natin ikaw pa na may limit ya kaya ito may cash nasa telefoni. Sa saan mo muli itong
to come to our retail shops. You know, when they're shopping in the main center and they want to register with the app, they can come see our staff, and our staff can help them. Because I know with our elderly customers, in fact, my mother, I have to teach her many times how to use the phone before she understands, right? So I think that's important, the face-to-face education for our elderly customers. I think the young ones, like us, you can call us young, we're fine. we can learn that digitally. That's very easy to follow.
And it's free registered.
That's right. We see the EPC partnership as a partnership that will take our MyCash subscribers from this level to this level. Because once our mutual customers understand that they can top up their meters from home, from work, and if they've got a smart meter, as Fletcher said, it'll instantly top up their power. If they run out of power on the weekend or in 1 o'clock at night and they've got 7 kilowatts of power like I did on Saturday, you can just go on and, I've been telling everyone to go to sleep and turn everything off. So it's some ones, because we know also our Pacific people and our South, we love things that are convenient. That's why there's a lot of people lining up to the drive-thru at McDonald's. We love convenience. We love things that are easy. So we know that once they understand how easy it is, our EPC customers, all our Digicel customers will be EPC customers. So once they understand how easy it is, then the number will go from here to here.
Thank you. Thank you.
But for the applications, the MyCash, the machine can do the smart. The favorite thing to look in the farm, they don't really have you tell it to the meter. So if you receive a phone, I if I can really look for only what is we want Amata making city. I love this we got what to do so Sainia will file it some of develop the system.
One of the things I mentioned to our family yesterday when we met is and he mentioned it during his speech with COVID. We know cyclone season's around the corner. These sort of applications and tools have become very important during times of crisis in cyclone. Right? That you have normally in times of crisis or cyclone, mobile networks are normally one of the first things that come up, and power. So if our customers can't move around during cyclones or after the cyclones or crisis, they can use their phone to top up their power.
Thank you.
It's not a question, but more like a comment, not as a reporter, but as a customer. How this guy did it, and I for one didn't get how he did it. But if that's the speed where will go Adelaide for, I wonder how many will pick it up. The possibility that you could actually use it that way. I mean, if I'm a reporter that doesn't understand that, I won't expect my readers to understand what he's saying.
You mean the way they?
Yeah, it's so fast the way he did it. And I was trying to figure out which he was pressing.
Okay, I can help you with that. What I would do is get one of my staff members to download MyCash for your phone before you leave. And put some money in there for you. You can top up your power and show you how fast.
Is there going to be any possibility of adding more ads that could actually explain what money
Yes,
is made?
yes.
I think that would
More awareness.
I had just mentioned to Chris that that's just one of many ads, so there's going to be separate ads on social media because we have up to 4 million subscribers and followers. It's quite active in the Samoan market. Everyone's on Facebook. So there will be a lot of educational videos as well. This is one of many that we're going to have. So not only will you hear it on the radio, you'll see it on TV, but also on social media. And definitely that is our target market as well. It's our elderly. It's those that are receiving money from families overseas, those that we actually need to take care of and stuff. So that's a great question. It just confirms that we're on the right track with our education videos.
Just to add on to the general manager's giveaway remark in terms of smart meters. It's not just smart meters. You can also vend with the 070 and 519 your prepaid meters. So at the same time as well, in 2019 we were on board with Digicel in terms of using EPC's energy app, which has the MyCash money wallet before, but now it's MyCash. So this partnership is taken 4 years. And I suppose with MyCash being now very convenient and just topping up on a different platform, that would be very good for convenience and access for customers. But you could also use that use through EPC's energy app.
Nah, lang sa lang lang din. Sainia.